Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today we're changing air filters. It's important to change the air filter in your car because it prolongs the life of your engine and increases your fuel economy. Locate your air filter housing, and if you're not sure if this is your air filter housing or not, you can always look for this big rubber tube that goes into the engine. So you see this big rubber tube? You follow that back to where it starts, and this is your air filter. So now we need to open this up and take out the old element. Next, open up your air filter housing. This one has nice clips on it. You might have to take out a couple of screws depending on the manufacturer. Then you can simply open this up and remove the old air filter. Make sure to take note of the orientation. Now we're going to take our new filter element. We're going to set it back in the same orientation that the old one came out. And then we're going to secure the lid to the filter housing back on. And then we're going to close these latches. Once again, if you have screws, you'll just need to tighten your screws back down until this is nice and secure, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you change the dirty air filter in your car. You can give this old air filter the boot and say hello to better fuel mileage and prolonged engine life. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And as always, Dude, we can fix it.